If you're watching this video, you might obviously want to know the 7 most important reasons that I wish I knew before starting out this my YouTube channel that you're currently watching this video. Now, what's the importance of this video and why am I making this video? I'm making this video to ensure that you don't make the same mistakes I have made, or you have a proper understanding of these things I will mention in this video. So it will help your channel grow faster and it will help you know how to manage your channel properly. If you're really interested in this topic, make sure you stick to the end of this video because I mentioned 7 things I wish I knew before starting out this particular channel. If someone had told me all these things, probably I must have grown bigger than the current number of subscribers I have and the amount of views I have per video or in all my videos. So make sure you stick to the end of this video because this video will really help you if you are intending to start up a YouTube channel tomorrow, or you already have an existing YouTube channel and you are planning and looking for ways to grow your channel. So the first thing I wish I knew, or someone had told me when I started up my YouTube channel last year, is you can never be 100% ready. I used to think that before you start up a YouTube channel, you need to have all it takes. You need to have the money, you need to have the best gadget, you need to have the best quality camera, you also need to have the best microphone on earth. But I came to realize that at the end of the day, all these things doesn't matter. Rather, what really matters when it comes to both content creation and also you being a YouTuber is the quality of videos you make. And when I mean the quality of videos you make, I don't just mean in terms of how authentic that video is, but then I mean like what value are you bringing out to your viewers? For you watching this video, possibly the value I'm bringing to you is the fact that I'm trying to inform you about certain mistakes that I personally made, and this kind of mistakes or this kind of informations could possibly help you, especially if you're just starting your YouTube channel this year, or you already started your YouTube channel but then you're looking for ways to grow better and you're looking for more information to keep you afloat and to make sure that you don't make certain form of unnecessary errors. So focusing more on the kind of videos you make, the quality of information you give out to your audience, what are you bringing to the table, and your videos, are they really solving the problems of your audience? Are they just fancy videos that just showcase you and you don't solve any real human problem? So your video should be a video of value that will help someone out there. It could be your audience, or it could be whoever your audience or your viewers are sharing that video to. So I wish I knew that you can never be 100% ready. Possibly I would have started my YouTube channel back then when I was still in school and when I was still a student. But then that's one of the mistakes I made, and I just wished someone had told me to start up my YouTube channel early enough, because this will really go a long way in helping me both financially and helping me to become productive. The second thing I wish I knew before starting up my YouTube channel is treating your YouTube channel as an investment. Initially, I wasn't really treating it as an investment. I was treating my YouTube channel as a hobby. Of course, that's one of the first triggers I had when I opened my YouTube channel, because I'm someone that is passionate about making videos, creating memories, and documenting my life process. But I never knew YouTube on the long run can also serve as an investment plan, where on the long run, especially if you are very, very consistent with your YouTube channel, it will really, really pay well after 2 years, 3 years, or thereabout. It all depends on one, the niche you're serving, the quality of videos you're providing, and the kind of value and how informative is your video. And also, are your videos helping people out there? Is it really helping someone, even the tiniest person, to solve his or her problem? You need to understand that a lot of people that come to YouTube are mostly information seekers, and YouTube being owned by Google, which is the biggest search engine in the world, when people search on Google, the tendency of Google bringing out videos that are linked with YouTube is there. And you should understand that when you're making videos on YouTube, you should make videos based on someone coming to YouTube to provide valuable information that people are currently searching and people are looking for solutions to. That's the second thing I wish I knew someone has told me, because if I had known that yes, YouTube can be treated as a side hustle and can be a long-term game for you on the long run, possibly, like I said on the first reason, I will have opened my YouTube channel back then when I was still a student nurse. The third thing I wish I knew before starting up my YouTube channel is you need to start up early. Start up a YouTube channel as early as possible. Even you watching this video, if I'm going to advise you, if there's any advice I can give to you right now, it doesn't matter if YouTube is your thing. It doesn't really matter if you are really 100% prepared or not. The best advice I can give to you right now is just start right now. Start right now and stop procrastination. The first thing I said in this video that I wish I knew was you can never be 100% ready, and that's just the fact. The more you keep wasting time, the more you keep delaying, you will never have any authentic time as when to start or when is the right time for you to start up your YouTube channel. And before you know it, 6 months is gone, 1 year is gone, 2 years is gone. This was exactly what happened to me. I wish someone has told me to start up earlier and avoid procrastinating. So the fourth thing I wish I knew before starting up a YouTube channel is your first 100 videos will definitely suck. And this is just the reality. You need to understand this, especially if you're a new YouTuber, you're starting up. It doesn't matter if you have spent like 6 or 3 months on this platform. You need to understand that your first 1 to 100 videos will definitely suck. And these videos are videos that will help to prepare you for the future. These videos are videos that will help to make you a more better YouTuber. These videos are videos that will help you to become a more public speaker if you're really consistent and serious with it. It all depends on how you treat YouTube, because you can decide to treat YouTube either as a hobby or you can decide to treat YouTube as a business. So always keep this at the back of your mind that if you're a new YouTuber or you are intending to start a YouTube channel on the long run or in the future, anytime you wish to start, just know that your first 1 to 100 video will definitely suck, and this is just one thing I am experiencing. But then, personally, I am more focused on the long-term gain. I am more focused on the growth it will bring to me. I am more focused on the better person, the better version of a YouTuber it is going to make me, because YouTube can go a long way in changing your life, not just financially, but the manner at which you can face and talk to the camera. So the fifth thing I wish I knew before starting up a YouTube channel is your friends or most of your friends and family are likely not to support you. This is just the fact. If you're lucky to have friends like mine, though not all of them, that support me, including my family members, then you're a lucky person. But just bear in mind that your friends, in fact, most of them are likely not to support you. They won't like your videos, they won't publicize you, they won't advertise you, they won't share your videos, including your family members. Like, at that point when you're starting out, nobody really cares about you, nobody knows you, and nobody's even ready and willing to even support you in your career. So keep all these things at the back of your mind, because this will really go a long way in helping you get ready and prepare your mind for things to expect. So the sixth thing I wish I knew before starting out a YouTube channel is, when it comes to YouTube, when it comes to making videos, you see, the kind of phone, the kind of gear, or the kind of camera you have, it doesn't really matter at this point, especially if you're starting out. The quality of microphone you have, it doesn't really matter, especially if you're starting out. But it doesn't still mean if you can afford all these gears and cameras, you shouldn't buy. But just to let you know that that doesn't contribute to your growth, especially when you're starting out. It doesn't contribute, or it shouldn't be your main focus. Rather, yes, I should use this word, it shouldn't be your main focus when you're starting out. Maybe you're thinking, oh, you need the best camera in the whole world, you need the best gear, you need the best microphone. At the point of making this video, the phone I currently use in making all my videos is an iPhone 8 Plus. So just have in mind that you can use whatever you have to start up. I'm not using a quality camera, I'm just using my phone, and this is what I'll be using to shoot and film my videos for the next 1 year, because I don't have any hope of getting a new camera because of the phones. So the sixth thing I wish I knew was gears and your microphone doesn't really matter whenever you're starting out on your YouTube journey. Another thing I wish someone has told me is have an open mind as regards to investing in knowledge, learning new techniques, learning what works and what doesn't work, upgrading your already existing skills. Attend YouTube seminars or any seminar that regards or concerns any form of content creation summit. Attend all these kind of seminars, conferences, because all this form of gathering and associations will also go a long way to help you improve in your skill as a YouTuber, because people that are attending such kind of conferences are also fellow YouTubers like you or fellow content creators like you. So they will also have their own unique experiences on their own journey that they will be coming to share in such kind of conference and summit. So when you attend such kind of summits, it will help you in a way to improve in your career, knowing what works and knowing what to let go. So just have this open mind to learn new things, relearn, unlearn, and also upgrade your skills. If you think you're good at video editing and there is an opportunity for you to attend a masterclass, please do. All these things really help because the goal is for you to keep on improving over and over again. So the 8th thing I wish I knew before starting out a YouTube channel is you will really make a lot of money on the long run. Well, when I started the YouTube channel, like I said, I never came into YouTube with the mindset of making money. I started out YouTube because by passion, I'm very good at making videos. I love making videos. I love being creative. I love creating videos. But then I never knew that consistently doing all these things on the long run can really fetch me more money. So just know this and understand that on the long run, if you're really consistent and very consistent with making videos, and not just making videos, but rather quality videos, the payday will definitely come your way, and that is YouTube for you. So you will really make a lot of money on the long run. This is one thing I wish I knew. Possibly that would have triggered me to be more serious and to start up early. Another bonus tip there I wish I knew while starting out or even before starting up a YouTube channel is you will really spend a lot of money. Yes, you will spend a lot of money. In as much as on the long run, YouTube actually pays, but also bear in mind that you will spend a lot of money, especially on data. If you're a Nigerian, you will spend money on buying courses, you will spend money on upgrading your gadget. And that's just the truth, because the more you keep on building yourself, the more you want to grow higher. And for you to grow higher, it involves you to attend higher master classes. It involves you to change your gears, like change the quality of camera you're using currently and buy a new one. And above all, you will spend money on data, because for you to upload your videos, especially YouTube being a platform where it permits uploading long form videos, then this will really cost you lots of data, because all these things, even most times whenever I'm editing my videos, it costs me data to edit my videos. So these are the few tips I wished I knew or someone had told me before I started up my YouTube channel. Please, if you found value, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the tiny bell notification below there. Like this video, drop your comment and let me know what you think about the video. And please share this video, because you might be helping someone out there without even knowing. Share it on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp. Sharing it will not take you a lot. Just do this. Thank you.